Bad Skylaa versus Stalk Ashley.
Stalk Ashley.
Stalk Ashley.
Stalk Ashley.
Stalk Ashley.
Stalk Ashley should have been the one for guide her.
Yeah, fi fuck out in a dance and fi bus. Me remember when me used to tell people say if you producer them no fucking your eye, nose, mouth and ears.
Female artists come out and talk about how much producer them have to throw a little pussy pan and what them have to do. Who na give head? Afia, them have to take good.
Yeah, everyone give me some space. Okay. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Right. Impact, I'm ready to brace. Okay. We fall down and land on our face. Yeah. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave. Right. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave.
So boy.
There, my dude.
There, my dude.
Yes.
One easy. Yeah, yo, big up on yourself. All viewers, all subscribers, big up on yourself. Welcome back to another episode, a rap and chat with Checks Dan.
You don't know Thursday night, isn't it?
You don't know, right? There's a thing there.
Isn't it?
So everything good?
So far, so good. You
right,
know what I'm saying?
Man.
What about you?
Life sweet.
There's a life sweet.
Life sweet, my bro.
Big up yourself, man. Yo, people, we're not David. You don't know, before we go any further, we have to, ask if we can do a big favor. Just subscribe to the channel. You see me give you a thumbs up. Drop a comment. You don't know, big up on yourself. Thanks for the support.
Yeah, man, and thanks for the 2,400 subscribers so far. You see me? Just keep on sharing, commenting. You know what I mean? Because we see love, man. So I wear the pan differently.
So, yo, we see a video going with Jap what year just a few days ago.
A few days ago.
Yeah, with Stalk Ashley.
Oh.
And what the girl name?
Yeah, a few like 2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah.
Bad Skylaa.
Yeah.
Upcoming artist.
Yo, bro.
What do you think about that?
Well, allegedly, they must say, yo, as me say, allegedly. Yeah, they must say, yo, Stalk Ashley about a Diddy. You see me?
Zin.
Alright, now, me feel like as an entertainer, you have to stay far from the Diddy thing.
Zin.
You get me, I say?
Yeah, man.
Because me see the girl mother come on like she say, yo, allegedly Stalk Ashley a pimp out her daughter. Like, them have producer and Stalk Ashley and her daughter probably had a threesome or RG or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? I don't know how old the daughter is.
19-year-old.
Yo, you see any parent will love them kid and them hear say something like this happen to them, bro.
Mm-hmm.
It a go really hurt them.
Bro, remember dog, you bring them come here,
Right, that's the thing there.
Your blood in them, dog. So therefore it's gonna hurt you.
If you get in the music industry and it's not easy.
That's true.
A whole heap of time me hear female artists come out and talk about how much producer them have to throw a little pussy pan and what them have to do. Who na give head? Them have to take good.
Right.
Me not say right, because it not right.
It's not right.
But a long time me I hear people talk about these things. And you see, if me as a parent and my kid, my daughter go in the music industry, me prefer be a producer.
You prefer be a producer?
Oh, you mean, brother?
Well, your man says still, dog. Jamaica have a saying. Say, yo, if it not go so, it close.
It near go so.
It near go so. You see me?
True.
So, me not go sit here and say, yes, the manager and Stalk actually do it.
Yeah.
Allegedly, them say, them actually sexually abuse her and get her to do drugs.
Whoa.
Get her involved in orgies. Everything is allegedly until it's proven in court. But we know how the industry set, bro, when it comes to music and the entertainment. See? And we hear about this incident all the time. Not just in Jamaica alone, but internationally as well. And I see him thing now, I go on with P. Diddy and Cassidy.
Right, so.
You see me? So I mean, with all these things we are happening at the industry, dog, as me say, me nah say them do it, but if Stalk Ashley and the manager never put themselves in the position, them name would not be called. You understand what I say, bro?
Dog, you see thing, when I think too, them producer them a give the artist, the female artist them false promise, false hope.
Yes, bro.
You get me I say? And you see as a young entertainer, I go in the music industry, whole heap of that I go on, bro. Because you see once, you see if a woman look good, have looks and sexy, remember me tell you. That I number one thing. Me always hear female artists talk about this, say yo. The producer them, if you're not run front, them not produce no song for you.
That's true.
They not give no rhythm.
Right.
Them not try to make no way for you. You get me I say? And these are some of the things that where them need to try to cut out our culture, bro.
Yes, we need to eliminate those things, dog. Because
eliminate it, brother.
Them things because are true. Other people come and talk about it before and we don't believe them. You know, man, I say females come multiple times and say, yo, listen, you know, if me not do this or me not do that, you know, man, I say the music now go play and this now go happen, bro. You see me?
Me now go tell you, say, me not believe them, you know. Me believe them, bro. Because guess what? If a woman look good, bro, and majority of the time when man fi help woman, them always a look sitting from the woman. Them can't just do it genuinely.
Yes.
You get me I say? Them can't just say, yo, we are going to do this art. They can't make it be a professional thing where I just work.
Bro.
You get me I say?
Yes, for real.
Sometime, you know, bro. You see when I sell people a dream, bro, they're willing to do anything, you know. If you sell a dream, my youth, if you sell it the right way, may I tell you, anything you want, if you tell a woman, if you give a woman, you paint one picture and say, yo, this me I go give you, you know. Bro, may I tell you, then do anything you want. And you see, me feel like that was the case. Them paint a picture and them give the female, and the female, she say, it now come to pass.
Something else I want to mention too. If you watch, the mother did it on live at one point.
Yeah.
With somebody that talked to the mother. And there was somebody in the background while the mother talk. I say, yo, don't say nothing. It's like she don't want it out there. And the mother like, you know, I shun the person and I say, yo, she'll come forward and say whatever. What you think about that? You think it's a good idea for her coming forward and talking about her daughter's situation?
Bro, let me tell you this. If somebody not say it, you know, it'll keep on happen. Sometimes you need that person there for, even though you might not want it for yourself, if somebody not say something, bro, it'll keep on happening. You get me I say? Right. So you see, the mother come and put light on it, brother. It can put a stop to it.
And that's something we need light pan from day one.
Yeah. Enough woman missy come and say, yo, them have to do this to producer, them have to do that to producer, them have to... You see me?
Right.
Brother, me feel like if somebody have talent, if I know say a person have no talent and a person now go reach nowhere, don't tell them say, yo, you can't make it up for them. Tell them say, yo, try do it by your own, because me can't make it happen for you, you know.
Yeah, and in a situation like this, Stalk Ashley should have been the one to guide her, because she's more experienced in the music industry before her.
That's
so
true.
As that grown, more experienced person, you should have taken her under your wing. You understand what I say? Not figure go dish her out to your manager or whosoever to take advantage of the girl.
You hear nothing. You know if Stalk Ashley
respond
and come out and say nothing.
Well, according to one video we did see, say she respond, but she mute the comment. So nobody couldn't comment underneath it. I didn't see if true.
So you know hear nothing like she said nothing verbally.
No, I don't hear she said nothing verbally, but we'll be see it. She have to go come forward and clear it up. Because eventually...
It's a crazy allegation, you know, bro.
All right, and eventually The law will get involved
No, man, the
and
law-
investigation
The
will
law
start.
are gonna get involved. Sometimes some people just throw it in life, bro. I mean, I understand why them do them so.
Not only their life, their careers.
That's crazy. You see
You see me?
But yo, Stalk Ashley, pull up your folly grounds, fix up yourself. And me hope them get to the lower part of it. I will not say the other word. We hope they get to the ground of it. You see, the root of the problem. You see me? And I hope the mother find some truth to what had happened. You get me? So, I hope this like shed some light on little things then we are going in the entertainment world and everything will glitter gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
For real. And if it do go so, I feel like you have to take responsibility. And I feel like you have to face the penalty. Honestly.
Yeah, man.
Because it happened too much. And it's not supposed to repeat itself. Talking about that, we're going to slip off to P. Diddy because you don't know P. Diddy out.
Oh, out yet.
Well.
You don't see how much chair charges drop.
Yeah, that I have to take up my phone for that one. You see me? Because it says here that he beat 3 out of the 5.
Racketeering.
Yeah, he beat the
Origin or something like so.
racketeering, conspiracy,
Yeah.
and 2 counts of sex trafficking by force, fraud, or coercions.
Yeah.
And him not find guilty of 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution.
Yo, let me tell you this.
You see
I mean,
me?
I tell you already. You see, what happened with P. Diddy is a money thing. Two things.
When you say money thing, what do you mean?
You see, most of them females there, where you see her come forward and say, "A man do this and a man do that." Dog, you see, once them a get the money, everything is okay. You see, once the money now run, for them, is a problem. To me, you see, when people now get what they want, them a go try to put you in one place where them a go try make your sister, yo, humble.
But remember, what really start this whole chain of event is the video will come out when I beat Cassie in the hotel.
Yeah.
You see me? So, him did go on with certain things behind the scene.
I'm been a go on with things,
When
man.
it comes to, because if not, why you wait all my beat Cassie and them sitting there? I think it would have lead to all these deep investigation, all these allegations and everything where
True.
them bring against him. So while that happened with Cassie, and Cassie start the whole trainer event, then me feel like then the government start dig deep
Watch out now.
and find out other things.
Watch out now.
You see me?
You see, when the court did that go on, you know, Cassie say she was one of the person who organized some of the jerk off then call it, or freak off.
Freak off.
Yeah. She was one of the person who like arranged some of the freak off them.
Oh, she did say that?
Yeah.
Oh.
So sometimes, bro, things are not as old other people make it seems.
And I think this is why P. Diddy kind of beat this case. The strategy where him lawyer use. Now, the strategy, if you notice, throughout the whole case, P. Diddy never used no kind of witness or anything never go for P. Diddy, you know. But them deliberately use this. And also P. Diddy himself never testified, you know. Because guess what? You see, all those witnesses what the government call, P. Diddy lawyer can question them and find out what is what and find the hole, find the loophole. While the prosecutor on the other end, now have nobody for question for P. Diddy, the witness or anybody. You understand what I'm saying?
That's true.
And P. Diddy himself never testified, so therefore him can't twist P. Diddy either. You get me? I say?
He never go on the stand.
He never go on the stand. So the strategy where the lawyer used was a smart strategy.
What?
Where this end up where P. Diddy beating all these charges. P. Diddy not fully out of the darkness yet.
No man, you know out of the darkness.
Because at the same time, these two when get found guilty for. Then it can land him up to 10 years in a jail And me hear say, me read, so the government are going to push for 20 years.
And me just feel
But
like
me know say it probably not going to work, right?
Nah
It
go
not going to work. But him still not fully out
Yeah.
of the tunnel yet. And me now say, yo, that means him freakiness disappearing. Him still the same person, and all of those things will come out still there.
It still exists.
Yeah, it still exists,
Isn't
and
it?
the picture of the person
'Cause it
when
might-
now painted as that not change.
It might blackmail only by people.
All right, so that not change, bro. You beat the case, fine, but when you come out in the light for, that no means you're
Yeah,
freaking
man.
exchange,
People
bro.
are gonna see you for
You
that,
see me?
man.
People
But-
still are gonna see you for that.
But me can say something. Me hear Will Smith say, you see when you get to a certain level in a life with wealth, all right, you ever hear people say them hit rock bottom? He must say, yo, rock bottom and peak top
Are the same thing.
are the same thing. It's like when you're at the rock bottom, you really don't know what to do. You're frustrated and you're stressed and everything will go wrong. But you see when you reach peak top, you have everything. No bring joy no more. You start
Right.
do things where you not even would expect
You that do.
you would not do. So you know, me always keep that in my head. Like it makes so much sense to me. Me don't want to reach the point in my life where not have meaning to me no more. Cause when I reach cliff top, you know, you can't buy anything. You can't afford anything you want. You can't do it anybody where you want to do it. Cause nowadays if you have money, you can't do it anybody. But one day in the middle dog, when we can provide for my family and we can enjoy life and we can look forward to new things, new adventures. You see me?
If I should choose, if it be at the top or the rock.
Rock bottom,
No,
rock
not
lower. Why?
At rock lower,
Hey.
me rather there at the top, bro. Me rather cry in a mansion. You see me? Than I cry in a little hut. You understand what I'm
I
saying?
understand, man.
Me rather have the sadness in a mansion than have the sadness
You
in a
know
hut.
what? Why?
In a mansion, well,
Why? A girl shot me say.
in a girl shot.
You see me? But
Yeah.
that's why I say more than prefer for the in the middle. Me don't really want
Bro.
go over it, bro. Cause me don't want to reach a point there, bro, where nothing, me not have no feelings towards nothing, bro. More can look forward to something. When you have too much money in the dog, you don't look forward to nothing no more, you know.
We hear about all these things, but we need to experience it for ourselves.
But we can experience it if we're in the middle same way, bro.
No, bro.
And some me
Yeah,
pray.
it give you some kind of excitement, yes, in the middle, but not lie, yes. But you want to experience what people are talk about for yourself. Now, when you have money,
Yeah.
see, you don't have to do what those people do, you know. You're going to make your own happiness, you know. But you know what it's going to do for you?
So not that P Diddy did that do.
No,
P
but-
Diddy did
yeah.
that make his own happiness and
But
that
you
me
might do it the
assure
wrong
you.
way. You might do it the wrong way. You now go
And
that direction.
You
bro.
don't know.
But it all boils down to the choices, bro, where you make
Well-
with your money.
Freak Diddy.
But look on it.
Freak.
Diddy is not the
Yeah, but
only
it's a-
millionaire, bro. You have Jeff,
Jay-Z.
you have Jay-Z, you have Elon Musk,
Kanye
you
West.
have Buff,
Are you
you have
talking about Elon
Warren
Musk?
Buff.
How much wife did Elon must have?
It doesn't matter.
13 wife.
They're all billionaires.
You can't
What we
steal
are
it.
saying is that they're all billionaires and them not choose the route where the
You
people
don't
freaky
know,
choose.
you know here
But
yet.
we still, all right, we don't hear, so we assume so they didn't choose the life.
No, so I not assume.
What do you mean? Look on Jeff Bezos right now, film wedding last 3 days in Paris.
As me say.
Billionaire.
Feel
He
more
might
probably.
enjoy,
Feel more
he
probably.
might enjoy it differently,
next
bro.
man probably a Tony wife back with and a beat and then just a sit down and a jerk
No, bro,
off
you
or
can't
something.
say
So, yeah, that's a real prayer.
Yes, right.
Them people, they have too much money.
No, bro.
Too much.
You hear me I say? Me want to have the money, me want to eliminate money as the problem.
Me know that. Me too.
You understand what I
That's
say?
why I want
So when me have
in the
it,
middle,
bro, me want to make it up there. Me want to stand up there
Bro.
and look down, and then when me didn't know,
When you reach
no,
yourself-
hold on now. When me didn't know, bro, then if me can't help people down way below me, might as well me come down. But that's my aim.
You're
I'm
not
gonna
gonna
help
come down, man.
people around me,
You're gonna start
and
do
that
some
is why I want. No, me not gonna do no.
you're going to start do some, you're going to start do some sitting where you feel like say you're too powerful. You reach on the top, you see when you reach on the top, so you feel like say yo, you're God. I saw P. Diddy feel, you know. Say my God, you know, and he does a look on the commoners and them and say, oh, these commoners. Dog. You feel there in a middle, bro, where you can appreciate certain things.
That's you. That's where you want it.
As me say.
That's your decision. That's your choice.
Alright, yeah, there's someone there.
Alright, so let me tell you what me want to know.
Yeah.
Want it
on the top. You want it on the top.
Want it on the top.
Yeah.
There's some more on there. You see me?
People,
but me now go choose the route to people
look out for
choose.
him.
Yo, me I reach up there. That man tell you. You hear that?
Yo, to success, my G.
Big up yourself.
Out.